Hello again, it's Karol Kolanowski, polished woodworker. It's not a sticker, it's just a laminated printout out of my printer. Today I'm gonna be making a project for a collaboration. This is the first Woodworking Europe Collaboration Build 2015. Here you can see the Woodworking Europe logo, which is the new forum on Facebook, like a group, Facebook group that Peter Freitag from TGIF put on together to get together a woodworking community, mostly in Europe, but also other countries. He started the group that we can discuss problems that people in States or Canada doesn't have. And most of us watching YouTube videos from States or Canada and seeing something like, say, mineral oil, which is cheap and available everywhere in States, and we don't have it here, like 2x4s on other stuff. So this group was created to help everyone discuss the problems and find the solutions. So we have people from states and other countries as well in the group, so we can discuss it. So if you are interested, I'll put the link to the group down below and you can join as well. Peter Freitag out of Peak TGIF on YouTube and Gerrit Klassen from Nao So Seradura, which means not just sawdust, came together and prepared this collaboration build, and Gerrit gave the idea to build something that represents your local area, that it's special for you, and build something out of wood to show it or to present it to someone. So this is also a picture represent country I live in, which is UK at the moment, so England. And I was thinking what to make, and I decided to make a cheese cutting board or cheese serving board. It's a funny shape and colors, and I'll explain you why. It's quite thick. I wanted to look like cheese, but not any cheese. We have local double Gloucester cheese. This is just a piece to show you how it looks like. And in local village about 1 mile away from where I live, I can see the hill from my window. There is a hill called Cooper's Hill, and every year on the last Monday of May there is an unusual sport going on, which is called cheese rolling. They take a cheese, original cheese, big like that and shaped like that, so roundish. That's why I made it not perfectly round, but I like it to look like a cheese. They cover it in paper with blue and red tape, and people who like to chase it climb it to the top of the hill. They drop the cheese from the top and people are chasing it. No one ever caught it, but the first person who will be on the bottom of the hill will win the cheese. Not the wooden one, but the normal one. But this is the only prize. There are many categories: the women's, children's, men's. They can run down the hills and up the hill. I'll put a link, a small clip over here of people chasing the cheese, and you can click on it to see the YouTube video. And I'll put a website, official website to this sport, to this event, in the description below, so you can read how it all began and all that. So I decided to make something to represent my area, which is cheese cutting board, and I'll be cutting cheese on it. So I didn't have much time to build it because I came back from holiday ill. I couldn't go to my shop, so I used the oak worktop, so I save my time on making a glue up. That's why it's look like that, but all the rest I made so you can see. So stay tuned to see the rest of the video. Okay, so I have to draw a circle on that, but I don't have a compass. So I'm gonna use a modern technology to do that. So first I need to make a photo. So I get the photo. Circle. The circle, you can see there is no circle here and circle there. I have to line it up. Ta-da! I left some saw marks. I just sanded the high spots, so it is mostly round. I wanted to keep the shape of a cheese, so cheese is not perfectly round and has some indentation on the sides, so I left it to look more natural. Now I'm gonna round over the edges. So now I put some masking tape on two sides. I want to paint a blue line around, and then when it will be dry I'll be painting a red line across, so there will be blue and red cross in the middle. I want to use it as a cutting board in the future, so I'm gonna use some food coloring, so it is edible, so it won't be affecting the cutting board, so I can use it with food in the future. So first I'm gonna use the blue one. I have a food coloring from my wife. She's baking cakes, so this is a gel food coloring, which is really rich and dark, so I'm gonna use a little bit with some spirit to dilute it. color is done. Okay, now I'm gonna try the red. Okay, and now I will leave it to dry overnight. Yes, so sorry I forgot to click the record button when I used the oil to finish this side, but I'll show you finishing this side. I'm using chestnut food safe finish, which is nothing else as the liquid paraffin, or as you in the States know, mineral oil. After 15 minutes of drying, I'll remove the excess and put another coat of oil. I'll put 3 or 4 coats. After all the coats, I'll sand it with 500 grit sandpaper to make it really smooth and nice to the touch. So now, to show you that this is a cutting board, I'm gonna cut double Gloucester cheese on it. So here it is. I would like to thank Peter and Garrett to put that collaboration together and coordinate everything. I want to thank every participants in this collaboration. You can find the list of everyone and links to their videos in the description. There will be also a playlist with all the videos. Please make sure to subscribe to everyone, they deserve it. You don't have to subscribe to me if you don't want to, but please, if you like the video, give the thumbs up, share it on Facebook or wherever platform you're using. Subscribe if you like it. Please leave a comment what you think about this project and about this awesome sport. We would like to see what you have special in your local area. So if somebody like to build something to show their local speciality, they will and tell about the history of that, they can build a video and send us the link, and we'll also add it to the playlist. So thank you everyone for watching, and take care.